It's so pretty. We made it. We're here at St. Anne's Spa for the weekend. So we're here at the cottage that we're going to be staying at, and this is one of the bedrooms. It's so beautiful. And they have 3 other bedrooms. Here's one. And here's another. Afternoon tea is served, and mine is vegan, and Eleni got gluten-free, and Sandra has nut-free, so they've definitely accommodated for all our dietary. Janelle got a vegetarian plate, and Dee got all the fixins, so hers looks amazing. So I'm here for my aromatherapy massage in the treatment room, and I've just picked out the essential oils I'll be using in my massage. I smelled, there were 6 of them, and I'm going to be trying a pine and a peppermint. So we're back at the cottage, and we're having dinner prepared for us by our personal chef. There's mushrooms and crostini on the stove. We are starving. We're up and ready for breakfast. We're all down here figuring out what we want to order. This is the view of St. Anne's when you walk into their courtyard. It's so pretty. And I love the history about the places, and this used to be a farmhouse built in the 1850s, and they've added on parts to it, and they made it in the spa in the 80s. This is at the farm, and we're trying to entice them to come to us, and Janelle is making neigh noises. Janelle, try again. We're hanging out at the pools, and they have 3 pools here. One is a cold plunge, and I've actually done that, and then you're meant to go into like this intermediate one, and then you end up in this lovely hot tub where Janelle and Dee are, and I'm gonna Now we're getting ready to leave, and we're gonna miss it. It's so nice and peaceful.